There's this quote that I think about often, that life is not measured by time, it is measured by moments. Some are big, but most are small. I like to think about life this way and savor even the smallest moments, because that's all there is.
Hey guys, it's my birthday today. So far, sobrang pagod ko lang kasi ang dami kong ginawa today, tas nai-stress ako kung ano mangyayari mamayang umaga. 1:30 na hindi pa din ako natutulog and yung eye bags ko super lala. I guess good luck na lang tomorrow and maaga ako bukas mag-i-start like 8 a.m. pa lang gising na ako. And today, January 5, mula 4 a.m. gising ako hanggang 1 a.m. diba? Tas bukas 8 a.m. ako magigising. I guess happy birthday. See you tomorrow, guys. Birthday? Yay! My birthday! Oh, sing happy birthday to Ate Ira. So, hi guys! It's currently 1:28 p.m. and nandito na kami ngayon sa hotel namin. Kaka-check-in lang namin. Then, mag-i-start na ako mag-makeup and hair later. Pagdating ng makeup artist and hairstylist. So, for now, pinaghihilamos muna ako kasi para walang nakalagay sa mukha ko. Actually, wala naman talaga pero maghihilamos ko ulit. Meron pa akong mga breakout.
kasi.
Pilit ka muna sa isi. Dali naman sila. Dali na yan. Huwag masyadong konti-konti. Happy birthday to you. Anong tumapalo? Aday. Di ako.
I'm live.
Hari ini ku dandang.
Hi everyone, let's talk about this stage that I love the most. So first things first, thanks for my mom and dad for doing this and planning this stage. First, may flowers sa taas, sa gilid, sa baba, sa lahat ng part ng stage na to. And thank you for that, but what I love the most in this stage is this big butterfly thing. This is so fairy tale vibes and ni-request ko to talaga. That's why I love it nung nakita ko siya because I didn't know na pwede ko pala siyang makita in personal. And then another is my name, and then sa baba nun is my couch kung saan umupo ako most of the time this night. And then this big 18 na ako, oh my gosh. And then this is my view the whole night, this big view that I love the most. And then there is tree thing there that I don't know how to call, pero merong telephone, customized name, and the perfume bar. And then this food, nagugutom na ako, oh my gosh. So this is me right now, like, oh my gosh. Wait, let me upo. So, oh my god, ito yung view ko today. So, let me just talk. So, ayun pala yung view. Hoping na malagay ko tong iPad here later para yung mga gusto kong i-vid na thing, nandito lang yung iPad. Pero if not, then it's okay. So, ito na yung itsura ko right now. I honestly like my makeup. Pero gusto kong ipatanggal yung medyo dito sa gilid and ipa-eyeliner pa to. Pero I like it. I love this. This is mine. And super love the coverage. Even though meron akong mga pimples. Yay! Honestly, I'm feeling nothing right now because wala akong nafe-feel kundi gutom. Like, gutom na talaga ako. Pero, hindi ko pa din alam kung paano magiging turn out nitong venue thing na whole event na to. Pero, sana masaya and hoping na maging memorable and happy. Basta, kinakabahan ako. Wow! Oh my gosh, Mama Liz. Akala ko si Catriona Gray. Ah, it's my gown! Let's do a fit check. Oh my God, ang manos!